Hi, welcome to the video tutorial of modeling with spreadsheets. In this video, we will see how to use nested if function in Excel. At the end of this video, you'll know how to use nested if, how to use if in place of logical test, how to use if in place of value if false, the alternative function to overcome the drawback of nested if. Let us now look at the demonstration of nested if. The if function has three arguments: logical test, value if true, value if false. Let us consider an example to explain the if function. I am taking two numbers in two different cells and I am going to display the number which is greater of the two. So let us take the logical test. I am going to check whether the number in this cell is greater than the number in this cell. If the value is true, if it is greater, it will display the number in this cell. Otherwise, it will display the number in the other cell. It is displaying 5, which means that 3 is not greater than 5, so it is displaying 5. Let us now expand this if function and go into nested if. I am going to take a category of products: formal shirt, t-shirt, jeans and casual shirt, and we are going to categorize them into some labeled categories such as A, B and C, and each category has a specified discount of 10%, 15% and 20%. Now in this example, we have used a data validation list to select the product, and this is a data validation list to select the quantity of the product. Let us now use a nested if to calculate the total price of the particular product and the quantity that has been selected. The first if condition starts by checking whether the selected product is equal to formal shirt. If it is equal to formal shirt, then it directly displays the amount as the total quantity into the price for that particular product. If in case formal shirt is not selected, then value if false takes another if condition by checking that if formal shirt is equal to t-shirt. If it is true, then it takes the price that is allocated for t-shirt and it multiplies with the quantity. Similarly, the value if false for the second if condition checks formal shirt, the selected product, with jeans and displays the price. If in case that it's not true, then it checks for the last condition. The last condition will be default in this case, and it directly takes the price of casual shirt and multiplies it with the quantity to select the total price. This is how we use nested if to calculate the total price of a selected product and the quantity. For example, if I change the product here, then it will display the particular total price of that product. T-shirt is labeled to be 300 rupees. So 300 rupees into 5 is 1500. Let us now try to expand this scenario for calculating discount. Here we have explained this for one particular product. For example, if we select formal shirt here, we compare it with formal shirt in this table, and then we check whether it is labeled as A category. For example, if the product selected here is formal shirt, it labels it as A category, and if the value in this table is A, it checks it with the value in this table A, and then it allocates the discount for that particular product. So in this case, we have given 0 here, which means that if the selected product is not formal shirt, then it will return a discount value of 0. For example, if I am selecting formal shirt here, it returns a value of 10%, which is 0.1. The third step is to calculate the total price of the product along with its discount. For example, the total price was calculated in the first step using nested if, and we are just multiplying it with the discount value that was written in the second step. This will give us the total discounted value of the selected product. The disadvantage of nested if is that it uses a long set of functions, one inside the other, and it becomes a tedious process to include all the conditions. To overcome the disadvantage, we can go for a function called VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP can do the same job for us by just selecting the particular lookup value, which is the selected product. It selects the entire table where the product is available, and it just returns the second column, which is the price that we are looking for. We just take the quantity that is selected, and we'll take the lookup value along with the price written and simply multiply it with a given quantity. This is how we introduce VLOOKUP for the first step. For the second step, we use nested VLOOKUP, wherein we first look up for the selected product in the table where we are trying to assign the particular category of the product, and in case if it is formal shirt, we look up for the value that is assigned for formal shirt, which is category A, and the returned value is again matched with the discount table, so that we try to get the discount value that is allocated to the particular category. So this function returns the discount that is available for formal shirt. This is how we use nested if function, and we overcome the disadvantage of nested if function. Thank you for watching the video.